Hi guys, it's ASBYT and we've got a very quick video for you today because we have 360-degree renders of the brand new Google Pixel 4 XL due to be released in October this year. So ladies and gents, this is it. If you're new to the channel and love everything tech, news, unboxings, reviews, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so that every time I post a video you are notified and can stay up to date with all of the latest tech. Right, so welcome back. Now I have already done a leaks video on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. If you want more information about what we're due to expect, go and check that video out after watching this one because I do go into more detail over there. But earlier today, you may or may not know, /leaks and /leaks, all the leaks, posted 360 renders of the Pixel 4 XL. Now on this image you can clearly see on the back of the device we were already kind of expecting that. This kind of just reaffirms that we're due to see a primary lens, a secondary lens presumed to be a telephoto lens, what appears to be a small mystery third lens which may be a flicker sensor, and the LED flash. No fingerprint sensor on the back, which leads us to believe we're due to see it in the display. And then on the front we have a full bezel-less display, but we don't. We've got a rather large forehead. Housed in the forehead appears to be two front-facing cameras, presumably similar to what we saw on the Pixel 3 XL, for example. What looks like a sensor on the left and the earpiece/speaker on the right, pretty much confirming we will again see stereo speakers. Now I've actually posted this image on my other social medias to see what some of you guys think, and this one response from Carrot3 kind of sums up how I feel. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. And it's kind of true. As long as the overall rear and that square camera arrangement are the same colour, I don't really mind it, I actually quite like it. However, on the front, yes, it's not as bad as the notch on the Pixel 3 XL, but I personally, with the other alternatives out there, with the pop-ups and the punch hole cutouts of this world, I feel that this would have been a better way to go over that rather large top bezel. I don't hate bezels, and I'm not saying this design is horrific, just a bit meh. I really want to know from you guys what you think of this design. Do you think after the kind of disappointment of the Pixel 3 and 3 XL design, do you think Google have finally arrived, or is it still leaving a little bit to be desired? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, I'd love to hear all of your thoughts and I will try and respond to as many as I can. If you want to be updated in all the latest leaks and rumours on tech, as well as unboxings and reviews, then make sure you are subscribed to the channel, you turn on the notification bell so that when I post those videos, you are notified. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, peace out.